Deep within the emerald embrace of the Southeast Asian rainforest, a creature of prehistoric power lies hidden. Its scales, a mosaic of olive and gold, shimmer with an iridescent beauty that belies its deadly nature. This is the reticulated python, the longest snake in the world. Imagine the humid air, thick with the scent of decaying leaves and blooming orchids. Sunlight filters through the dense canopy, casting dappled shadows upon the forest floor. There, amongst the tangled roots and vibrant ferns, the python lies in wait. Its body, longer than a double-decker bus, blends seamlessly with the undergrowth. Muscles ripple beneath its skin as it slowly, almost imperceptibly, inches forward. The air crackles with an ancient energy, a primal force that has ruled this jungle for millennia. The python's eyes, cold and calculating, scan the surroundings. It is a patient hunter, content to wait for the opportune moment to strike. When that moment arrives, it will be swift and merciless. The jungle holds its breath, for the reticulated python is a force to be reckoned with. The reticulated python is a master of ambush, perfectly adapted for hunting in the dense undergrowth of its rainforest home. This remarkable snake, one of the longest in the world, can grow up to 30 feet in length. Its intricate pattern of scales provides excellent camouflage, allowing it to blend seamlessly into its surroundings. This natural disguise is crucial for its hunting strategy, as it relies on the element of surprise to capture its prey. It is equally at home in water, using its powerful body to navigate rivers and streams with ease. The reticulated python is an adept swimmer, often seen gliding through the water in search of food or a new territory. This ability to traverse both land and water makes it a versatile predator capable of exploiting a wide range of environments. This versatility makes it a formidable predator capable of exploiting a wide range of prey. From the dense foliage of the jungle to the murky waters of rivers and swamps, the reticulated python can adapt its hunting techniques to suit its environment. Whether it is stalking through the underbrush or lying in wait near a water source, this snake is always ready to strike. Its hunting strategy is simple, yet effective. The python relies on patience and stealth, often remaining motionless for hours or even days, waiting for the perfect moment to attack. This method of ambush hunting requires minimal energy expenditure, making it an efficient way for the python to secure its next meal. The python lies in wait, camouflaged amongst the foliage or submerged in water, its body perfectly still. Its coloration and pattern help it blend into the background, making it nearly invisible to unsuspecting prey. This camouflage is so effective that even experienced hunters and researchers can have difficulty spotting the snake in its natural habitat. Its keen senses are on high alert, scanning for any sign of movement, any hint of a potential meal. The reticulated python has excellent vision and a highly developed sense of smell, which it uses to detect prey. It can also sense the heat signatures of warm-blooded animals, allowing it to locate prey even in complete darkness. When an unsuspecting animal wanders too close, the python strikes with lightning speed. Its attack is swift and precise, giving the prey little chance to escape. The python's muscular body coils around its victim, constricting with immense force to subdue it. Its jaws, lined with rows of sharp, backward-curving teeth, clamp down on its prey with bone-crushing force. These teeth are designed to grip and hold on to the prey, preventing it from wriggling free. The python's powerful bite is just the beginning of its deadly embrace. The element of surprise is its greatest weapon, leaving its victims with little chance of escape. Once the python has a firm hold, it begins to constrict, tightening its coils with each breath the prey takes. This method of suffocation is highly effective, ensuring that the prey is quickly subdued. From small mammals like rats and squirrels to larger prey like deer and pigs, the reticulated python's diet is as varied as the rainforest it inhabits. It is capable of taking down animals much larger than itself, thanks to its incredible strength and powerful constriction. This adaptability in diet allows the python to thrive in a variety of habitats. It is an opportunistic feeder, taking advantage of whatever prey is available and utilizing its incredible strength and hunting prowess to secure its next meal. The reticulated python's ability to adapt to different environments and prey types makes it one of the most successful predators in Southeast Asia. Its presence is a testament to the rich biodiversity of the region and the intricate balance of its ecosystems. The strike is only the beginning of the reticulated python's deadly dance. This initial attack is a display of precision and power, a testament to millions of years of evolution. The python's strike is not just about capturing its prey, it's about immobilizing it in a split second, ensuring that escape is nearly impossible. Once it has a firm grip on its prey, it unleashes its most formidable weapon, constriction. This method is both ancient and efficient, a deadly embrace that has been perfected over millennia. The python's body is a marvel of muscular engineering designed to exert maximum pressure with minimal effort. With lightning-fast reflexes, the python coils its powerful body around its victim, squeezing tighter with each exhale of breath. Each coil is a calculated move, each squeeze a step closer to the inevitable end. The prey's every breath becomes a struggle, a fight against the unyielding force of the python's muscles. Imagine a monitor lizard caught off guard as it searches for insects on the forest floor. It is unaware of the silent predator lurking nearby, its fate sealed the moment it steps into the python's range. The forest, usually a place of refuge and sustenance, becomes a deadly trap. Suddenly, it is seized in the python's vice-like grip, its struggles only serving to tighten the coils. The more it fights, the more it hastens its own demise. The python's grip is relentless, a testament to its strength and determination. The python's muscles are like living steel cables, exerting immense pressure that suffocates its prey. Each muscle fiber works in unison, creating a force that is both awe-inspiring and terrifying. The prey's body can only withstand so much before it succumbs to the crushing power. Death is not instantaneous. The python's grip, while deadly, is also merciful. It ensures that the prey's suffering is brief, a swift end to the struggle. The python's method is a balance of brutality and efficiency, a dance of life and death. It constricts until its prey's heart stops beating, ensuring a swift and humane end. The python's patience is remarkable, waiting for the exact moment when life leaves its prey. This is nature's way, a cycle that has been repeated countless times. Only then does the python begin the arduous task of swallowing its meal whole. This process is as fascinating as it is gruesome, a display of the python's incredible adaptability. Its body is designed to consume prey much larger than itself, a feat that seems almost impossible. Its jaws, connected by incredibly flexible ligaments, unhinge to accommodate prey far larger than its head. This unique adaptation allows the python to tackle prey of various sizes, ensuring it never goes hungry. The sight of the python's jaws stretching is both mesmerizing and unsettling. Slowly, methodically, the python consumes its meal, its body stretching to accommodate the massive bulge. Each movement is deliberate, a careful process to ensure the prey is swallowed without injury. The python's digestive system is equally impressive, capable of breaking down even the toughest of prey. The process can take hours, even days, depending on the size of the prey. During this time, the python is vulnerable, its energy focused entirely on digestion. This is a testament to the python's resilience and adaptability, a creature perfectly designed for survival in the wild. The reticulated python's success as a predator is due in no small part to its remarkable adaptations. These adaptations have evolved over millions of years, allowing the python to become one of the most efficient and stealthy hunters in the animal kingdom. From its physical attributes to its sensory capabilities, every aspect of the reticulated python is designed for survival and predation. Its senses are finely tuned to the challenges of hunting in the rainforest, allowing it to detect prey with incredible precision. The dense foliage and complex terrain of the rainforest present numerous obstacles, but the python's adaptations enable it to navigate and hunt with ease. Its ability to blend into the environment makes it nearly invisible to both prey and potential threats. Its most impressive sensory organ is its heat-sensing pits. These specialized pits are located along the python's upper and lower jaws and are highly sensitive to infrared radiation. This allows the python to detect the heat signatures of warm-blooded prey even in complete darkness, giving it a significant advantage during nocturnal hunts. Located along the python's upper and lower jaws, these pits are highly sensitive to infrared radiation, allowing it to see the heat signatures of warm-blooded prey even in complete darkness. This adaptation is particularly useful in the dense, dark environments of the rainforest, where visibility is often limited. This gives the python a distinct advantage, allowing it to hunt effectively both day and night, whether it's stalking prey under the cover of darkness or during the daylight hours. The python's heat-sensing pits ensure that it can always locate its next meal. Its forked tongue, constantly flicking in and out, is another essential tool. This behavior is not just for show. The tongue plays a crucial role in the python's ability to sense its environment. By collecting scent particles from the air, the python can gather detailed information about its surroundings. The tongue collects scent particles from the air, delivering them to the Jacobson's organ in the roof of the python's mouth. This organ, also known as the vomeronasal organ, analyzes the scents and provides the python with a detailed olfactory map of its surroundings. This allows the python to track prey, identify potential mates, and avoid predators. This organ analyzes the scents, providing the python with a detailed olfactory map of its surroundings. Combined with its other sensory adaptations, the Jacobson's organ ensures that the python is always aware of what is happening in its environment. Combined with its keen eyesight and sensitive scales, which can detect the slightest vibrations in the ground, the reticulated python possesses a sensory arsenal that makes it a truly formidable hunter. Its eyes are adapted to low-light conditions, allowing it to see well even in the dim light of the rainforest floor. The scales on its body can pick up minute vibrations, alerting the python to the presence of nearby animals. It is a testament to the power of natural selection, honed over millions of years to create a creature perfectly adapted to its environment. The reticulated python's combination of physical and sensory adaptations makes it one of the most successful predators in the animal kingdom, capable of thriving in the challenging conditions of the rainforest.